Good day, everyone. Let's try to solve this geometry problem. Now, we're given circle O with chord MN measuring 9 units. Then you have two segments inside the circle, NP and PQ, measuring 6 and 4 units, respectively. And we are going to find the radius of the circle. So, since we are looking for the radius of the circle given a chord, we always have to remember the fact that the radius is always the perpendicular bisector to any chord. So that means if we're going to find the radius of the circle, we need to draw chords because the radius is always the perpendicular bisector to it. So we will draw chords now. One or two of these chords, you have PS and QR. And we can draw another one below. So you have this chord here. Now, we're going to find the measures. As you notice, this forms a rectangle. So this side here is just equal to this side. That's why that's 9 units. And this side here, or this segment here, and this segment, by symmetry, they are equal. So this one here is also 4 units. And after that one, notice that this chord now, this one, 4, has segments with measures 4, 9, and 4. So the total length of the chord is 17 units. So this time, we now have two intersecting chords. We can now use the chord intersection theorem, which states that the length of the segments of two intersecting chords is the product of the segment of each chord formed at the point of intersection. So that means the segments, these are the segments of this chord NS when multiplied will be equal to the product of the lengths of the segments of chord QR. So that is now NP times QS is equals to PR and QP. It's not QR, but it's QP. So we're going to substitute the values now. You have this one here, 6 times PS is equals to, now PR is consists of two segments having measures of 4 and 9. Therefore, that is 13 times QP is 4. We solve this one. We have 6PS equals 52, giving us 2PS, which is equals to 26 over 3. That's why it's 26 over 3 here. Now, after that, we're going to draw diameter MS. And since diameter MS is the hypotenuse of triangle MNS, we can solve its length by using the Pythagorean theorem, and that is MS squared is equals to NS squared plus MN squared. Substitute the values. MS squared equals, now NS is consist of two lengths, which is 6 and 26 over 3. That's why we have 6 plus 26 over 3 squared for NS, plus MN is 9, so that's why it's 9 squared. Simplify this further. That gives us MS squared equals 44 over 9, plus 9 squared is 81. This will give us MS squared equals 2,665 over 9. MS is equals to square root of 266 or 2665 over 3. Now, MS is a diameter, so that means the measure of the radius is equals to 1/2 of MS. So we will substitute the value of MS here. That will be 1/2 times square root of 2665 over 3. That will give us square root of 2,665 all over 6. That is now the measure of the radius of the circle, and the problem is solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on challenging geometry problems. Thank you so much and enjoy learning.